So I just got home from work, and today's kind of a really big day in the legal community because it's Trump's jury selection day for his tax evasion case. And I think the number one question that I get asked as a lawyer by my friends and family is how to get out of jury duty. And I'm not going to tell you that because that would be really messed up. And also, jury duty is your civic duty. It's really important to do. But what I can tell you is what lawyers look for in a juror. So obviously it goes without saying, us lawyers, we want someone that's going to come down on our side of the case and come down on it hard. But realistically, that's probably not going to happen, mostly because the other side will get rid of that juror like that. So instead, we look for jurors that have a really open mind and who are willing to listen to our side of the case and make up their mind based off of that. Also, we look for people that are willing to change their mind based on the facts that they're given. So for example, let's say that you make it past the preliminary stage of jury selection, where you fill out your little form and you're finally sitting in front of the lawyers and they're asking you questions. This is when the lawyers are trying to gauge how open-minded you are. So for example, as a lawyer, I'm going to ask you, what do you think about X, Y, and Z? And then you're going to give me an answer. Then after you give me the answer, I'm going to say, well, what about this other answer? If you're the type of person that's going to say, I never thought about it that way. Let me think about it and get back to you on that. Or you're the type of person that says, wow, I've really thought about that and that does change my mind. You are the perfect juror. What we don't want is someone who is presented with the alternate fact after they've given their answer and are still very, very stern in their ways. So for example, if I, the lawyer, say, what do you think about X, Y, and Z? Juror gives me the answer. And then I say, well, what about this alternate answer? And the juror says, no. I am stern in my belief, and I am going with my first answer, and nothing can change my mind. I'm going to strike them so fucking fast. Do what you will with that information. But remember, guys, jury duty is really important. It's your civic duty, and you should want to do jury duty.